A severe cold wave increases the risk of hypothermia, heart strain, and seasonal infections, but simple precautions at home and outdoors can significantly reduce illness. Focusing on the right habits and avoiding dangerous shortcuts helps protect children, elders, and people with health conditions during this season. Sudden, prolonged exposure to low temperatures can lead to hypothermia, where body temperature drops dangerously and affects the brain, heart, and breathing. Cold stress can aggravate heart disease, respiratory illness, and weaken immunity, making flu, cold, and pneumonia more likely. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, add a warm insulating layer, wool, fleece, and finish with a windproof, waterproof jacket. Cover extremities, wear caps, scarves, gloves or mittens, and woolen socks, hands, feet, ears, and head lose heat fastest. Close gaps, use thick curtains, and heat rooms safely while ensuring proper ventilation to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. Stay hydrated and eat well, sip warm water, soups, or herbal teas and eat regular, balanced, calorie-rich meals to support body heat and immunity. Do light indoor exercise or stretching to maintain circulation and generate body warmth without overexertion. Check on vulnerable people, regularly check elderly relatives, infants, those living alone, and people with chronic illness for warmth, food, and medicines. Habits that increase illness risk. Don't stay out for long in peak cold, avoid early morning and late night exposure. If you must go, take breaks in warm places. Don't ignore danger signs. Shivering, numb fingers or toes, confusion, slurred speech, or very pale skin can signal hypothermia or frostbite. Seek medical help immediately. Fasting or irregular eating during extreme cold drains energy, while poor sleep further weakens immunity. Don't use unsafe heating. Avoid using gas stoves, open flames, or charcoal indoors for heat because they can cause fires and carbon monoxide poisoning. Don't rely on alcohol to feel warm. Alcohol dilates blood vessels, making the body lose heat faster and dulling your sense of how cold you truly are. Children and older adults cool down faster, so ensure layered clothing, warm bedding, and limited outdoor exposure in harsh cold. People with heart, lung, or diabetes issues should keep taking prescribed medicines, avoid sudden exertion in cold air, and contact a doctor if symptoms worsen. Call a doctor or emergency services if someone has intense shivering that doesn't stop, confusion, very slow breathing, chest pain, or skin that is white, hard, or numb. Early treatment of hypothermia, frostbite, and severe respiratory symptoms can be life-saving, so never delay when in doubt.